Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about Todo. In Odoo, Todo refers to a simple task management system, and it's a way to keep track of individual tasks or actions item within the broader context of your Odoo project. And the purpose of using the to-dos are designed for quick and easy task creations and tracking. And they are less structures and full-fledged project tasks. Now let's move on to the to-do. As you just move on to the to-do module, here comes the different stages with to-do. And if you want to change the views of this to-dos, you can also easily change that. And keep in mind that only the Kanban view and list view allow you to create new to-dos. And the other view is that the activity view. So if you want to find any activities that is scheduled for each of the to-dos, you can also easily get that. Now let's move on to the filters. As you just move on to the filters, by default, you can see that the filter is open. Now again, let me change the view into list or Kanban, and I just want to change the filter from this section. In order to change the filter, you can just move on to the toggle search panel and choose that here we have the filters and group by. I just need to get the to-dos based on the assignees. So let me choose the assignees over here, and you can find the assignees that is machine admin as well as mark to move. So once it's done, we can just choose any of the to-do that we have recently created, that is explore chattable opportunities. And if you want to convert this to-do into any task, you can just move on to the action, and you can just choose it as convert to task. So as you are just creating a task, you can also see that we can just provide the project name over here. So I would like to create a project over here as sample. So let me just click on create over here. So we have recently created a project called sample, and into which we will be converting the explore chattable opportunity as a task. Now, as you just choose that here, you can see that under the project sample, a task is recently created over here under the stage name. Now, as you just move on to the project module, in the project module, you can see that the project that is recently created as well as the task associated with it will be also visible over here. Now again, let's dive into the to-do, and if you want to create a new to-do, you can simply click on new button, and this would let you to create a new to-do. So let me create a new to-do that is send invitation, and afterwards you can just click on add or edit. So if you are clicking on add button, this would let you to create another to-do list over here. And if you want to just make any further edit in this created to do, you can just click on edit button. So as you just move on to that, here you can find every other details, and here we can provide the media, then we have the table, then you can provide the bulleted list as well as the numbered list. And if you want to add any checklist, you can also provide that. And if you want to add attachments, you can also just include that using the links and all. And as you just move on to the three dots, here we have the structure like separators, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, table, bulleted list, numbered list. Everything can be easily taken from this section, which means these items will be available from the three doors. And if you want to add any tags over here, you can also easily get that. So in this case, we just want to make an invitation of home, and currently it's in the stage inbox. And if you want to change the stage, you can also change that. And you can see that the current user's personal task say stages this week. Now let me just change the stage, and you can easily find that. And if you want to set it as mark as done, you can just enable this button. And if you want to just uncheck that, you can also do that. Now once everything is done, you know that how to create a task, which I have shown you recently. And if you want to uh, yeah, archive this, we can also easily archive that. And that's how we just deal with to-do. And to-do is one of the smallest module in Odoo, and that help you to quickly create to-dos with minimal informations by setting the assignees to do with the specific users. And you can also categorize your to-dos using the tags for better organizations and all. So by effectively utilizing the to-do feature effectively, you can enhance your overall productivity and streamline your workflow with the Odoo environment. So that's how we just deal with to-do in Odoo 18. And if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.